Gold IRAs are an incredible way for beginners to start securing their wealth, especially if you're worried about inflation, stock market volatility, or the impact of economic uncertainty. If you've been looking for a way to safeguard your retirement savings or want to explore how to diversify your portfolio, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll understand everything you need to know about gold IRAs and how they can be an essential part of protecting your hard-earned wealth. First, let's break down what a gold IRA is. Simply put, it's a self-directed individual retirement account that holds physical gold or other precious metals instead of traditional stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. So why gold? Well, gold has been a store of value for thousands of years, making it a reliable hedge against inflation and market crashes. You might be wondering why you should consider a gold IRA when there are other options available. Stocks, bonds, and mutual funds are all great tools, but they come with risks that can wipe out your savings, especially in volatile markets. Gold, on the other hand, typically holds its value or even increases in value when the economy is struggling, making it an ideal way to safeguard your wealth during turbulent times. Now, you're probably asking, how do I get started with a gold IRA? It's easier than you might think. First, you'll need to find a custodian who specializes in precious metals IRAs. This is a company that will hold the physical gold for you and manage the account. Then, you'll choose a reputable dealer to purchase the gold or other precious metals. The custodian will handle the paperwork and ensure everything is in compliance with IRS regulations. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, especially in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are already making the smart move to diversify their wealth with gold IRAs. This guide will walk you through the steps and give you insider tips on how to choose the best gold IRA company for your needs. A common question that comes up is whether a gold IRA is right for everyone. If you're an American retiree with 100K plus in your IRA or 401K, or even more than $5 million in savings, then yes, a gold IRA is definitely worth considering. It's a way to protect and grow your wealth, ensuring that it stands the test of time. But what about fees? Yes, there are fees involved in setting up a gold IRA, but when you compare them to the potential losses you could face with traditional investments, the peace of mind that comes with gold makes it a smart choice. Additionally, you're not locked into a single investment. You can diversify with a mix of gold, silver, platinum, and palladium, giving you a balanced portfolio. If you've been thinking about whether a gold IRA is right for you, just know that it's a solid option for those who want to maintain their wealth in retirement. With the current state of the economy, having a portion of your savings in something as stable as gold can be the difference between weathering financial storms and being left vulnerable. To recap, a gold IRA is a self-directed retirement account where you can hold physical gold and other precious metals. It's the ideal option if you're worried about inflation, economic uncertainty, or market volatility. By diversifying with gold, you're taking a proactive approach to securing your future. And if you want to take the next step and learn exactly how to get started, click the first link in the description to get your free guide. It's perfect for American retirees with 100K plus in their IRA or 401K, or even those with over $5 million in savings. Start taking control of your financial future today.